530 meters. We're coming close to the turn. 430 meters. 290. I have to slow down. I'm not sure where it is. I think it's coming here. I think. Is it here? Is this a street? Yeah, it's coming here. DC. Yeah, this is the street. We arrived, bro. Rue Diab. Is this Rue Diab? Yeah. Turning right here. He says I'm gonna get a lot of tickets. Is that my dad? That's my dad. Yeah, I think it's inside here. Yeah. Well, yeah. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. What's up? Hi, I have an appointment today at 1?
Yeah, that's with me. How are you?
Good, yourself?
Good, you? I don't want
Good, good.
Where's
the exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in my dad's car.
Okay, good. Now, the video that you sent me,
Yeah.
you just reversed the pegs.
Apparently that's all you have to do. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not.
Okay, so that's no brainer. I mean, it's still a pain in the ass because you gotta take everything off.
Yeah.
Still a lot better than having to fabricate and do all that.
Yeah, for sure.
This exhaust has never been off before?
No, it's never been off.
Cool. Anyways, take your phone and I'll get it in.
Here you go. It's the keys for you.
On the side on this one,
Thanks, man.
right?
Thanks, Vince. Take care.
Right safe, bro.
Yeah, man. That's me too, guys.
Yeah. You're gonna be on the video. Say hi.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you already made it?
Yeah.
He's filming now.
Alright, thank you, man.
Take care.
Where are we going? Your place?
Yeah. My God. Damn, son, that's loud. Okay, guys, so damn, it's gonna be harder to talk. So I just got installed on my motorcycle the Bassani radial sweepers. And man, are they loud. And this is with the what you call those things, the baffles still on. If I take off the baffles, it's gonna be a lot louder, and I don't think I want that. No, it's already loud enough, man. Holy shit. I don't know if you guys can even hear me if I'm talking. So I got it done at VT motorcycle maintenance in Ville Saint Laurent. I'll put that address right here. You guys can see. Got the work done by Vince VT. Man, he knows what he's doing. Usually I couldn't keep my passenger pegs on the back, but he modified it so they would fit perfectly, and it looks like it's OEM. Like, you couldn't even tell like he did any modifications. So I give him like a 5-star, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna leave a review on his Google, whatever, you know. And every time a friend needs help with their motorcycle, I'm gonna send them right there. What?
Downshifting.
I can't hear you.
Downshift.
It sounds good?
No.
Fuck, it gets hot on the side though.
What?
It gets hot here.